Right now, all over the world, car companies and manufacturers leveraging the best auto accessories to take their vehicles to the next level. The truth is, the right car LED lights, interior and exterior accessories, cleaning products, electronic products, and more, what is assembled to get someone from point A to point B becomes a driving machine that's a dream to own. When you're a supermarket chain and dealing with customers from all walks of life, you need to be prepared with the best of the best. And we have been doing business with customers like Walmart, Auchan, Carrefour, and Parkson, which successfully proved that we are the expert in car accessories field. From OEM to customized logos, multiple languages, timely delivery, and customer support, our accessories make incredible corporate gift promotions and sell like rapid fire on Amazon. That's why Yiwu Power Tiger Auto Accessory Company is empowering businesses just like yours to provide the most robust auto accessories on the market across Europe, North America, Asia, and the Middle East. When it comes to car accessories, the value you're providing each and every customer's safety and strength. The companies we work with across the world recognize that value in us, and every season we ship at least 150 containers of goods to every business. Over the past years, the 6 million cartons of goods we have delivered to the world could circle the earth.